Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're using a Nothing Phone 1 and you're asking a question like what do I do if charging is slow or doesn't fully charge, or if you found your phone is not charging at all, or you have to wait too much time to get charged fully. Now if that happens with you, don't worry, let me move on and show you some of the ways to solve your problem. According to the Nothing website, they already give us some of the instructions which are useful. So what you're gonna do here, we're gonna merge all the process and we're gonna make this video so that you can understand it better and can solve your problem as fast as possible. So let's get started. Alright guys, and the first things we're going to talk about is the properly connection on your Nothing Phone 1. Now sometimes if you're in a quick or in a hurry, you can quickly charge your device, but what happens if you see your cable is not attached to that adapter properly or with your phone properly, then your phone can take a long time to charge, or sometimes your phone will not even charge properly. Now let's go ahead and check out the things and see whether your charging issue is gone or not. Now if you found you still have a problem, sometimes faulty cable can cause this problem. Therefore, all I want you to do is just go ahead and use another cable to see whether it works for you or not. Now after changing your cable, if you still found the problem, the next things we're going to talk about is your adapter. Sometimes adapter can be the main problem for having slow charge or not charging at all issues for your Nothing Phone 1. So all you guys can do is just go ahead and change your adapter and see what happens, whether you're being able to charge your device or not. Well, if you see, changing your cable and adapter didn't help you to solve your charging issue, the next things we're going to talk about is your charging port. Well, sometimes your charging port can be the cause of your main problem. What happens if you have some dust and particle getting stuck on your charging port of your Nothing Phone 1, then all you need to do is just go ahead and clean out your charging port very carefully so that you can solve your problem. Let's say you did that as well, you clean out the port but still you have a problem, then the next things, or let's say it's a quick tips for you, all you guys can do, you can simply overnight charge your Nothing Phone 1 to see if that works for you or not. Let's say you followed all the process that you mentioned so far but still you have a problem with the charger, either it doesn't charge or either it charges slow, then lastly you gotta just contact with the Nothing support to get further help. So these are the ways that you guys can follow to solve your charging problem on a Nothing Phone 1. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.